Good morning, students. So all of you get your timetable, no? Yes, and I've already given your portion. So again, I'm telling the portion and quadratic equation. Okay, just like quadratic equation, and associated angle, compound angle. Here, in between compound angle, no, transformation of sums and product also there. Okay, included. This chapter including transformation of sums and product also. Okay, keep in mind. And multiple angle is there. Okay, sums and products means sin C plus sin D formula, cos C plus cos D formula. This type of application is there. Okay, sin C minus sin D, cos C minus cos D, cos C plus cos D. Keep in mind. Okay, in between compound angle it is included. Okay. Now I am doing and also circle. Yes, circle also. Okay, quadratic equation, associated angles, compound angle, the sums and product also there. Okay, and multiple angles and circle also there. Okay. Compound angle means with full chapters, means sin A plus formula, sin C plus sin D formula is like that. Okay, keep in mind. And multiple angle circle also there. Note it down. Okay. Now today we will discuss few important sums. Okay, from quadratic equation and circle also there. Few important sums. Suppose say x belongs to R, real number is given. Question number 1. X belongs to real number. Find the greatest value of c minus 20x minus 25x. Okay, x belongs to R, that is real number. Then find the greatest value of c minus 20x minus 25x square. Okay, so right. So let y equal to right c minus 20x 25x square. Okay, take minus from there is 25x square plus 20x minus 3 can write now. First, we convert it into perfect square. Okay, perfect square. Alright, minus right here 5x whole square plus 2 into 5x. Yeah, 20x is there, no? Already got 10x. Just have to multiply 2. Then 4. Okay, minus 3 is there. So right, it will be 7. Understood? See, this line equal to this line. Otherwise you write plus 4, minus 4, minus 3, then minus 7 is there. Now look at here. Here, this part is perfect square. So you can write minus 5x plus 2 whole square. Okay, minus 7. So you can do minus 5x plus 2 whole square plus 7. See, the minus sign is there. So this is the greatest value when this part will be 0. Understood? So this is negative though. This side for x belongs to r is given. So this is always positive. But before that negative sign is there. Okay? So this part is always less than 7. So greatest value right. Therefore, greatest value equal to 7 when 2 plus 5x will be 0, that is x equal to minus 2. Okay, x equal to minus 2 by 5. Understood? Noted. Okay, now next one. Again, suppose find the maximum value of the function f(x). Suppose x belongs to r is given, then find the maximum value of 3x square plus 9x plus 17 by 3x square plus 9x plus 7. Okay, the very important, keep in mind. If x belongs to R, find the maximum value of 3x square plus 9x plus 17 by 3x square plus 9x plus 7. Now, let y equal to 3x square plus 9x plus 17 by 3x square plus 9x plus 7. First I do y. Now, you have to cross multiply. Okay. 3x square y plus 9xy 7y equal to 3x square plus 9x plus 17. Okay. Now take here, if x square common, 3y minus 3 from that side. Take that side. Okay. X square 3y minus 3 plus 9y minus 9 of x, 9xy and 9x, okay, plus 7y minus 70 equal to 0. Since this is the quadratic equation of x now x belongs to R is given, real number. X belongs to R, real number. So let's discriminate D always greater than or equal to 0. You can write. So b square minus 4 is so right here. 9 take common, 9y minus 1 whole square, b square minus 4. A means this one, C means this one. Okay. 4 into AC So take 3 common, y minus 1 into c means 7y minus 70 greater than or equal to 0. B square, b 9y minus 9. 9 common is there, so you can write it like that, 9 into y minus 1 whole square, b square minus 4, a means 3y minus 3. 3 common is there, so take common 3y minus 1. C 7y minus 17. Okay. Now 3 get 81 y minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 3 right y minus 1 into 7y minus 70 greater than or equal to 0. Now here 3 has 81, so cancel both the sides, okay? So it will be 27, right, y square minus 2y plus 1, 4 into, just this part is multiplied, okay? You have to multiply it. Seven y square, 7y, 17y plus 17 equals 0. Okay. Now write 27y square, 54y plus 27, 28y square, 24c, 27, 17 and 7, so it will be 24. Okay, 4 is there, so 96, okay, plus 96y minus 68 greater than or equal to 0. Now this and this side minus y square, this and this plus side 2 64 42y minus 41 greater than or equal to 0. So minus sign is there, so you can write here, see, y square minus 42y plus 41 less or equal to 0. The greater than sign, see, minus sign is there here. Taking minus common or dividing both of the minus, this should be change. You know, already learned in class 10 inequality chapter, keep in mind. Okay. Now this part you can write here, y minus 41 into y minus 1 less or equal to 0. From this you can write here, all of you know less than 0 is there, so 1 less or equal to y less or equal to 45. From here, I'll discuss in previous class, no? That means plus 10. Understood? Suppose if x square minus a square less than 0, the value of x will be x plus x minus a, no? So x plus a into x minus a 0, that is minus a less or equal to x less or equal to a, already learned. And if greater than 0, the value of if x is x plus a and into x minus a greater than 0, then the value, okay, does not lie between minus and plus, either greater than a equal to 0 or less than a equal to, greater than a or less than a. Understood? So maximum value is 41 and minimum value is only one thing, maximum value, so write maximum value is 41. Understood? Now not ax square plus bx plus c0. You know this quadratic equation? One root each equal to the nth power of other root. Keep in mind, in this equation, quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, one root each the nth power of other, means if one root is alpha, then another is alpha to the power nth power. Understood? If one root is alpha, then we can say other root is alpha to the power nth power. Now, sum of the roots, right? Alpha plus alpha to the power n equal to minus b by n, and alpha into alpha to the power n, so c by n. From here we get alpha to the power n plus 1, c by a. So right, alpha equal to c by a whole 1 by n plus 1. Understood? Now, see here, alpha plus alpha to the power n is given minus b by n. Okay? So alpha value got this one. So right, c by a whole 1 by n plus 1 plus c by a whole n by n plus 1 equal to minus b by a. Okay? Now a multiplied. So right, a into c by a whole 1 by n plus 1 plus a into c by a whole n by n plus 1 minus b. So right, plus b, you can get equal to 0. Now simplify. Okay? See, here c to the power 1 by n plus 1 and a to the power 1 minus, we can write n plus 1 power into 1, and here 1 by n plus 1, so down is there, take upper part, minus 1 by n plus 1. Similar way, plus a here is into a to the power minus n by n plus 1, that is direct. So 1 minus a to the power 1 minus this into c to the power n by n plus 1. Okay? Wait. Plus b equal to 0. Okay? Now, here a to the power n c whole, you can write 1 by n plus 1 plus a only one cn, so c to the power n whole 1 by n plus 1 plus b equal to 0. This is the relation. Very good. Suppose this is given, if one root is nth power of other root, then prove that. You have to prove a to the power n c, this and this power a, c to the power n 1 by n plus 1 and plus b equal to 0. Okay? Very important sums. That's right. Okay? Right, another question is there. If 4a minus 3 of x square plus 3y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. This equation represents a circle. Then find its center. Okay, this equation represents a circle. Then find its center. So all of you know the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square is always same. Understood? One equation I am telling you, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square 2gx 2fy plus equal to 0. When this equation represents, this is one secondary equation. Okay. When this equation represents a circle, okay. So it represents circle. The coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square, and the coefficient h, that is xy should be 0. Then h should be 0, and coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square. That is a equal to b. Already discussed in previous class. No? So right here, this equal to all is equal to this. So right, 4a minus 3 equal to a. That is 3a equal to 3, then a equal to 1. Okay, a equal to 1. Understood? So you put a equal to 1 here. Understood? Then this equation represents a circle. You put a equal to 1, then x square plus y square plus 6x minus 2y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay? Then center will be here. 6x minus 2 is given. So 3 minus 3 1. Okay? Minus 3 1. Understood? Minus 3 1. Okay? Another equation here. Next. Find the equation of circle circumscribing the triangle whose sides are x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and lx plus my equal to 1. If lm vary so that modulation is there, l square plus m square equal to 4m square, l square. This is given. Find the locus of the center of the circle. Okay. Lx plus my equal to 1 is given, straight line equation. X समान 0, y समान 0 all of them is x axis, y axis. Okay. So like that, see the equation is there. The x axis, the y axis. Now see here y equal to 0, here x equal to 0, and this is given lx plus my equal to 2. Okay. So this you can write here. This point, suppose a, this is b. So this is 1 by l comma 0, and this will be 0 comma 1 by l. Center, this is the midpoint. Okay, and this is equilateral triangle. Sorry, right angle triangle. So center, you could draw a circle is there like inscribed is there like that. See here, like this circle. So its center is always midpoint of the hypotenuse. So midpoint is there. One, if you take this is suppose x and y to consider, okay? So x suman 1 by L plus 0 by 2, that's 1 by 2L, and y suman 0 plus 1 by M by 2, 1 by 2M. Okay, now find out here 2L equal to 1 by x, so L equal to 1 by 2x and M equal to 1 by y. Just you put the value, this is given. So L square plus M square equal to 4M square L square, this is given. Okay. So divide also either 1 by, you write. So you can write here 1 by M square plus 1 by L square equal to 4, no? Dividing both sides by M square L square. Okay. Now 1 by M, you know this is 2y square, right? 2y whole square plus 1 by L means here 2x whole square equal to 4. So right, x square plus y square equal to 1. This is the locus of the center. This is the locus of the center. Okay? So the important sums are there. Okay, no more today. All of you know your portion, and Miss is doing your, I think she will start compound angle. Okay, let us start. Then after that I will start multiple angle last side. Just all of you remember the formula sin A plus B, sin A minus B. This formula we should start. Then I will start from last. Okay, multiple angle start. Very big chapters are there. I will start every sum. I will, no problem is there, and I will give also study material from every sum. Keep in mind. Okay, I will be practice. Okay, your exam already got your routine, no? Okay, bye.